Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to yet another video. If you're watching for the very first time, hi, my name is Arpita and I'm a beauty fashion lifestyle content creator, and in today's video I'll be sharing the review and the detailed information of the brand Mixsoon, which is a Korean luxury skincare brand. So if you want to know what are those products and how are those products exactly and whether it is suitable for the Indian skin or not, then keep on watching this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon to never miss any update. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, so before we get started with the product application and everything, let me just take a moment to talk about the brand itself. So this brand is called Mixsoon and this is a Korean skincare brand. Basically, it's a luxury Korean skincare brand because their products are pretty expensive, but we will try out the products because I have never used any Korean skincare product. So this will be my overall first experience in how generally the product is. Also, मैंने जितने भी स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं दोज आर मोस्टली ड्रग स्टोर प्रोडक्ट्स. सो दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट luxury brand collaboration, which I am very happy. So basically, Mixsoon is a brand who operate their brand from Korea, and उन्होंने T-Rug Beauty के साथ collaborate किया था. So these products are available only on T-Rug. India पे ये आपको कहीं पे भी और नहीं मिल सकता. Probably you might get it on Sephora, but I'm not pretty sure क्योंकि मैंने Sephora में ये brand कभी देखा नहीं है. So this is what the box looks like, and giving it from my own perspective, मैं जितने भी PR packages receive करती हूँ, I also look for the outer packaging of the PR box. So this is very basic, and if I open this, you can see the collaboration stuff which Tira and Mixsoon is on, and these are the products that the brand has sent me over. So typically, if I count it, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 different products, which is around 10,000 rupees. So I mean, on my opinion, these products are way too expensive, because when it comes to skincare, I like products which are more sustainable and budget friendly rather than expensive, because I am not that rich. But if this is for free, then what is the harm in using it? Now, we will talk about the products one after the other, and I will also use it onto my skin to show you the texture and everything, and to feel how the product actually sets into my skin. So the first product that we will be using is called the Mixsoon Bean Cleansing Oil. This product is 195 ml and it retails on 2699, which is, I think, a lot. Now when it comes to the shelf life of the product, it has near about 3 years of shelf life, and the usage of the product is pretty simple, just like any other cleansing oil. But as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that this is a luxury brand, so the price point are pretty much higher than any regular cleansing oil. So let's just try it. So this is what the container looks like, and as I mentioned earlier, the packaging is very clean, aesthetic, as well as very Pinteresty, I would like to add. Now let's quickly apply this. So now let's just take 2 to 3 pumps. I don't think 3 pump is required because I don't have any sort of makeup on my face right now, but just to feel the exact texture of the product, I am using it onto my bare skin. So the texture of the oil is very light and it has very mild and gentle fragrance, which should be there. And the oil feels honestly very gentle on my skin right now. And and the texture is very smooth. And as this is soybean oil, so it does not have that thick coating of oil जो कि usually coconut oil में रहता है, and that is why people from our skin tone category like combination skin and oily skin tend to avoid using coconut oil as a cleanser. But that's very good if you have dry skin. But if you have oily skin, you can start using soybean cleansing oils. So now I'll quickly go and wash it off, and then I'm coming back to you all. So after washing my face feels very soft, but it has this slight glow in it because obviously मैंने पानी से ही wash किया था. Now the next product that I'll be using is called the Mixsoon Centella Cleansing Foam, and this product cost around 18.99, which is 150 ml product, and it also has 3 years of shelf life. I will mention the ingredients on the screen because these are very hard to pronounce and I don't want to get it wrong. So we'll mention the ingredients of the product, like the formulation and everything, on the screen itself. And this is what the inner packaging looks like. As I mentioned, this is very Pinteresty, very aesthetic and very, very clean. I really like brands when they understand the task and make such kind of packaged product, because skincare is meant to be like calm and soothing, and agar vibrant packaging ho jata hai, so it's very, uncomforting to the eye. Now if you are tired all day long, सारा दिन काम करके you came back home and you don't even feel like washing your face, but once you will see this calm product, so आप इसको लेके use कर सकते हो. But if the product is way too, difficult to use, then obviously you won't be giving it a try and you'll feel like, okay, let it be, I will sleep it like that. So that is why understanding the homework that on skincare products the packaging should be minimal is a very good point. Now let's quickly apply the product. So I have taken this much of product, and this is there's a very creamy texture to it. As far as the fragrance is concerned, it's quite normal. मतलब वैसा कुछ इसमें fragrance नहीं है. Keeping the previous product, the cleansing oil, in mind, the cleansing oil does have some kind of fragrance, but इसमें fragrance नहीं है. So let's quickly apply it. Feels so creamy and fine on my skin, which is very gentle, but as far as I can see, there is no foam whatsoever. Now let's quickly go and wash this face. So this is what my face looks like after washing it off. One thing that I would really like to, give it a clap to the brand, that the product is really very gentle, very mild on my skin. But one thing that I'm afraid of this product is that it might be very good for winters, because we do not sweat that much. We do not, have that oily texture on our face. But if it is summer, and especially if you're living in Kolkata, you might get a lot of humidity onto your face. So I'm not pretty sure that how much it will clean my face in summer, but as of now it's very good. It's very comforting, and this is not making my skin dry at any point, which I'm really liking. Keeping that in mind that this product is targeted for mostly all skin type. So usually जब भी मैं all skin type वाला product use करती हूँ, especially on winters, I get a lot of dry skin. But here, to my surprise, I am not feeling any dryness as of now. So now let's move on to step number 3. Now the next product we have is the serum, and it is called the Mixsoon Bean Essence. Basically this range of product is a bean range of product, means like the soybean range of product. This product retail on 2699, oh my god, and this is a 30 ml of product. The middle class me cannot understand the price point over here कि like almost 2500 का product मैं use कर रही हूँ. क्यों? लेकिन मुझे क्या, मुझे तो ब्रांड से मिला है ना, I should be happy. So let's be, and this product also seem to have 3 years of shelf life. तो आप मैं क्यों बार बार 2500 बोल रही हूँ. हाँ, so 2500 का product, मतलब 2500 खर्चा करके you can use this product for a pretty long time. लेकिन सीरम एक ऐसा चीज़ है जो usually हम लोग every day लगाते हैं. So there is no point कि हम लोग 3 साल तक उसको रखेंगे. what the inner packaging looks like. ये बहुत ही एक छोटा सा क्लीन सा बॉटल में आता है, which I really like. I like glass bottles comparing to the plastic ones because it seems more like कि लोगों में plasticity इतना बढ़ रहा है कि मुझे प्रोडक्ट में और नहीं चाहिए, लोगों से मुझे मिल रहा है, so it's fine. Now let's quickly take one pump of product which I feel is very expensive. मतलब एक पंप करूंगी तो 50-60 रुपए खर्चा हो जाएगा, इतना मिडिल क्लास हूँ मैं, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं. Okay, so this is ouch. Oh, okay. So इसका जो texture है, it has a mucin kind of texture, जो कि snail mucin निकला था बीच में, बहुत लोग लगा रहे थे, and I don't like the texture honestly. क्योंकि मुझे ना सीरम्स उतने अच्छे लगते नहीं है इन जनरल. मैं खुद भी अपने रोज के स्किन केयर रूटीन में मैं सीरम्स लगाती नहीं हूँ. एक पंप मुझे कम पड़ गया तो मैं दूसरा पंप ले रही हूँ. एंड इट्स मतलब ना मैं जितना भी इसको फेस पे ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ, मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि मेरे फेस पे कुछ है. इट्स feeling quite heavy to be very honest as compared to the first two products. Like both of the cleansers were very good, were very lightweight, gentle, but this product seems like कि मेरे face पे कुछ बैठा है. It's not getting properly blended, which is another point for being annoyed by the product. And as I have like combination skin, so ऐसा product अगर मैं गलती से भी summer में लगा ली, so I might get up having a lot of acne and everything. लेकिन the product seem very thick. If you are someone like who have dry skin, तो फिर भी आपके skin पे थोड़ा सा भी काम कर सकता है. लेकिन for someone like us who have oily or combination skin, I would suggest that this should not be used. Okay. Now moving on to our sunscreen, which is the most awaiting product in the whole video. Whenever I get any PR package of skincare, I फील लाइक कि उसमें सनस्क्रीन होना चाहिए. सनस्क्रीन ही एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जिससे मैं ना क्लियर जजमेंट दे सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं कि मैंने 4 साल में कितने ब्रांड्स के सनस्क्रीन ट्राई किए हैं एंड कितने मुझे पसंद है, कितने खराब है. लाइक आई हैव यूज्ड ओवर 100 सनस्क्रीन्स, नॉट इन 100 सनस्क्रीन, मतलब 100 ब्रांड के सनस्क्रीन, लाइक 100 डिफरेंट फॉर्मुलेटेड सनस्क्रीन्स ओवरऑल. तो उसमें क्या है कि आई नो व्हाट आर द फॉर्मुलेशन दैट अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन शुड हैव एंड व्हाट आर द मतलब फॉर्मुलेशन इन जनरल की ऑल स्किन टाइप वाले यूज कर सकते हैं. सो दिस प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड दी सेंटेला मिक्सून सनस्क्रीन एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट इज SPF 50 PA4+, and everything is here in Korean. Also the product retails on 2399. I mean, इसमें मेरे 5 महीने का सनस्क्रीन आ जाएगा if I'm not that wrong, and this product is 50 gram of product. Now let's put it on try. The packaging is very similar to the previous product that I have used, so let's try it out. Let's do the 2-finger test. Okay. Surprisingly, it does not have any kind of chemical fragrance whatsoever. It feels gentle too. Like it's very smooth and it has this glow that you can clearly see on the camera. That it is very creamy. And as of the white cast, there is no such thing. And बहुत ही seamlessly मेरे skin पे ये blend हो चुका है. तो sunscreen तो मुझे सच में पसंद आया है. Okay, so I could not figure out what the product actually is. So basically this is a cleansing pad जो कि मुझे सबसे पहले यूज करना चाहिए था, but I didn't. Well, this product has 3 cleansing pads in it and it retails on 219, which makes this product the least expensive product in the whole PR package. And this also has 2 years of shelf life, and this has cocoa butter and soybean, मतलब जितना भी oil related चीज है ये इसमें है. I will give it a try on my short video, तो आप लोग वो वहाँ पे जाके देख सकते हो. But after doing such a long skincare routine, I don't feel like using it. So yes. So my final verdict on these products are, they are first of all really very amazing. Apart from the serum, I like all the 3 products that I have used. But yes, these products are pretty much pricey. But if you are someone who likes to use, luxury products, especially Korean skincare products, then you can definitely give these products a try because they are actually very good to use. And I have seen a lot of good reviews from the people who have used the product earlier. So I think you should give it a try if you are someone who are into luxury skincare product. And also the brand claims that अगर आप ये प्रोडक्ट यूज करोगे यू माइट हैव अ ग्लास स्किन जैसे कि कोरियन लोग का होता है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग वेरी इंट्रीगिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट. आई विल कीप ऑन यूजिंग द प्रोडक्ट एंड मुझे अगर थोड़ा सा भी चेंजेस नजर आए मेरे स्किन पे, आई विल मेक अनदर वीडियो अराउंड दिस पर्टिकुलर रेंज. क्योंकि फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन में यू डोंट गेट टू जज एंटायर थिंग, बट वॉट आई फील दैट द प्रोडक्ट्स आर रियली वेरी गुड, very gentle. Packaging wise it's pretty good, everything is fine. So yes, if you want to get your hands on these particular products, then don't forget to check on to my description box. वहाँ पे जाके आपको product का links मिल जाएगा. So thank you for watching this video. I really hope you guys like this video and find it helpful. And if you do, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents like this. So that's it for the video. I'll see you guys definitely on the next one.